Hey everyone, I'm putting in the wood flooring. Look at that. Look at that beauty. I'll turn around. Also, is the bedroom ready? The big reveal. Oh, glorious. So I'm working on the wood flooring right now. Well, actually, it's not technically wood. They're vinyl planks, and I'm organizing them here. I saw a nice YouTube video. I'm glad I watched this first, where they said that vinyl planks. So these are basically just like strips of painted or, laminated stuff put on like particle board. And I decided to go with this because it was lighter, cheaper, easy install. I didn't have to glue or staple, and so I can change the floor if I want to at some point. But and more or less durable, and I've seen a lot of houses with this stuff, and I think it looks fine. I like it. So anyway, so these are all patterns, they're printed. So this looks like they're all in, these are all the different patterns that I found, and they said to stack, when you open the boxes, each box is going to have a different amount of these patterns. So you stack them up. So then when you start laying the flooring, you won't repeat a pattern. So then when you're, walking in, you'll realize, oh my gosh, I see like 3 of the same kind. And so I'm glad I looked at that because I would not have thought of that. Exciting. So right here, I am laying the underlayment, which is what I put down underneath the vinyl planks. And I chose this sort of almost like paper, paper bag sort of material, but I think it also has some sort of tar in it. And it just helps prevent moisture and from creating a noise when the planks will be hitting that OSB underneath. So it gives sort of like a little cushion. So I'm just cutting it into place. I'm not sure that I'm doing the best job rolling this out. But it's fine. It's working. I'm kind of tightening it as tight as I can. Maybe I'll put a nail in so that there'll be no wrinkles. Maybe I shouldn't put a nail in actually because what if I need to pull it some more? Anywho, not the world's best job, but I think it will work. So right now I'm doing the molding. I got the wood floors in, and the molding I bought a while ago, but I thought that I was going to use it for the ceiling, and I didn't. And then it's in this nice like red, I think red oak or some type of hardwood that I actually got 50% off at Lowe's. And I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. I thought I was going to do caulking instead of molding along the corners of the house, but then I realized that with this, like with planks, you kind of need that like weight and something to seal the corners in, and also it looks so much better than caulking. Really seals it in. But it's hardwood, so I have bent so many nails because I'm hammering by hand. But that's okay. The price you pay for beauty. I don't know about that. But anyway. So I'm just hammering this in, And then I'm basically, well, no, I'm not done, but like so close to done. There's a little like paint touch-ups because I've totally hit the wall as I'm hammering these in. I'm not a gentle giant. I am a clumsy small person. And I have to put in doors. There's no closet door, and paint a lot of little stuff. But after this is like, and the doors, I'm like done. You know, basically the propane is so close to being hooked up, but I have water. I can hook up water now, and I haven't used it. I'm scared to use it, but this is a very exciting moment. It doesn't feel very real, so I'm going to put some molding in right now with these stupid nails. And I'll show you how awful I am at this. See, hardwood, bent another nail. Oops, cracked the molding. Don't worry, I'm gonna get it. Somehow, some way, I'll do this. I hit the wall again. So I'm having a little bit of trouble with this flooring. Yes, it was the cheap flooring. So it's kind of popping up in places. Doesn't click into place. So I put a couple little nails in, but I have to go buy some other ones. Because I just have these little dark nails that I don't think I want to use. These are two. Yeah. I mean, I guess I could use these. I just don't want to go to a store to buy nails for something like this. Will this bother me? Anyway, so there's something to think about. Maybe I'll put one over there and see what it looks like. That looks okay, but I guess these, I'm just experimenting. I'm just putting nails into my floor. Because what else are you going to do on a Sunday? The problem with this flooring is a lot of times when you get one spot in, another spot will pop up. This is really frustrating. But it's probably because my house is crooked. See, when I do it on one side, it'll pop up somewhere else. So I should just forget about it and put this in. I would like everyone to know that I'm experimenting and that you can do it too. How fun is it to just build your own house and I can nail a nail anywhere I want it. I could put one right there if I wanted to. I don't want to. Actually, I might have to. I mean, it's so much fun. I'm so used to working, having such a work life for other people that when I can finally put a nail in wherever I want because I want to, I don't think I'm in the frame anymore. Y'all, I'm not good at YouTube. I set up the camera anyway so that maybe somebody would get something out of it. Putting a nail here to keep the flooring down. Maybe one more. Oh well. That's my motto. Actually, I really think that is my motto. Oh well. But a disclaimer, I'm not a carpenter. Okay, now I'm having too much fun hammering the floor, so I should probably stop while I'm not ahead.